ये जो सना है ना, सना इतनी चिड़ोकली है ना, चिड़ोकली मतलब छोटी छोटी बात पे चिढ़ जाती है, थोड़ा सा वॉशरूम में जो फिर चिढ़ जाएगी, उसको कुछ और बोले चिढ़ जाएगी, कैसी लग रही है, मेकअप दादा और मेकअप लगाओ, लेकिन कभी सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगी. Gossips we agree on a lot of gossips we agree. Yeah.
Stop your partner's ex.
Yes. Favorite memory of us would be there was like the whole एक हमारे reality show में the whole house were against both of us for one incident. It was just her and me.
Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel, and I have two really best friends. I have this jodi of best friends with me right now, and what should I do यार, मैं बहुत सोची, फिर मैंने सोचा कि यार इनके साथ वो करूँगी जो एकदम अच्छा लगे, आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे, because you guys are big fans of this jodi as friends. So I have to, without further ado, call upon Vishal Pandey and Sana Mangu.
Thank you.
BFFs, and they are going to be taking a BFF challenge. So first we are gonna play that old school thumb challenge.
Okay.
And I'm gonna see, we're gonna do it three
Okay.
times. तो देखते हैं कौन जीतता है.
चलो सना आओ.
Let's
left side
begin.
होगी?
मैं लेफ्टी हूँ ना.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, आ जाओ. ऐसे नहीं होता.
Referee saying 1,
1,
2, 3,
2, go.
go.
गई हो.
नहीं देखो 1, 2 देखो
ठीक है चलो क्या करें, चलो कोई बात नहीं, आ जाओ चलो.
Okay, second time.
वापस से करना पड़ेगा. ओह गॉड.
Okay, let's go. Come on, Sana.
ये देखो, ये कैसा थंब फाइट है जो पूरा हाथ ही उड़ रहा है.
चलो.
नहीं ये देखो,
क्या?
ये बातों में
नीचे
फंसा
फटा
दिया.
फटा.
बातों में फंसा दिया. नहीं
वो तो
बातों
गया,
में.
बातों में फंसा है, कैसे भी फंसा है, हो तो गया.
बट ये बात नहीं होती, तुम
चलो.
हाथ फ्लाई कर.
हाँ, थर्ड राउंड.
डिसाइडिंग राउंड, लेट्स बिगिन.
चलो.
Okay. Come on.
ठीक है.
Done.
वेरी नाइस सलाम अब्दुल.
थैंक यू विशाल पांडे.
Okay, the next one is stare at each other
Okay,
and
माँ
make funny
कसम.
faces. Basically, you have to make each other laugh. You only have 1 minute. Come on, कोई तो हंसी दो. मैं हंस देती इतने टाइम तक.
मैं तो ऐसे ही हंस देती
हाँ
हूँ.
यार, क्यों, मेरे को तो ऐसी हंसी आ जाएगी
एक्सप्रेशन
फिर.
करते करते ही हंस देती
ये
हूँ.
नहीं, ये दूसरा करना है.
अच्छा ठीक है.
मेरा फेस ही हंसमुख है.
So rant challenge.
ये क्या?
भी 1 मिनट का है. रैंट करना है, लेकिन एक दूसरे को साथ में रैंट करना है, एक दूसरे के बारे में.
अच्छा. ये जो सना है ना, सना इतनी चिड़ोकली है ना, चिड़ोकली मतलब तुम्हें साथ में करना है. तो चिड़ोकली मतलब छोटी छोटी बात पे चिढ़ जाती है, थोड़ा सा वॉशरूम में जो फिर चिढ़ जाएगी, उसको कुछ और बोले चिढ़ जाएगी, कैसी लग रही है, मेकअप दादा और मेकअप लगाओ, लेकिन कभी सेटिस्फाई नहीं होगी. अरे तो साथ में तो बोल.
तू जीत गया, मैंने दे दिया. ये रैंट ज्यादा करता है, इसके आगे बोलना ही नहीं है.
Okay, I leave it on you guys. You only decide कि कौन winner है इस चीज का. Okay, name 3 things that you both completely 100% agree on. हमेशा.
So I think we agree on food.
Food,
है ना?
yeah.
We agree on food. We agree on gossips. We agree on a lot of gossips. We agree. Yeah. And third, I think.
I think.
थर्ड क्या हो सकता है यार? Destination?
नहीं, I think कुछ content बनाना होता है always.
So we agree on that.
I work on his mind, yeah. So उधर कभी clash नहीं होता.
हाँ, तो creativity के साथ
Creativity,
ऐसे
yeah.
You completely trust कि he's
हाँ
doing the
हाँ,
right
he's.
thing. Wow, cool. यार but gossip वाला चीज आया होता है. Like food पे नहीं होता, लेकिन मेरे passion के साथ
फूड में ना
gossip
हम लोग
में
कैसे, हम लोग ना फूड इतना मंगा लेंगे ना कि तू भी भर के खा, मैं भी भर के खाऊंगा. हाँ,
तेरी भी
उसमें
varieties आएगी,
हाँ,
मेरी भी
disagreement हो ही नहीं
varieties.
सकता
तो
उसमें.
एटलीस्ट अगर मेरे को अगर ये बोलेगा तू 2 डिश मंगा, मैं 2 डिश मंगाती हूँ, तो आई विल मेक श्योर मैं वो 2 डिश मंगाऊँ, और फिर आई विल मेक श्योर कि वो भी वो
2 डिश
जो
मंगाए तो
मुझे
मैं
खानी-
ठूस सकती हूँ.
Nice, I like it. Okay, what is the best and the worst about me? Worst in the sense, ऐसा कुछ जो you want that the other person to change.
the best is like she's a sweetheart. मतलब she will be with you. She's very loyal. She's very honest. She will tell things to your face as it is. She will not gumawfy the thing. Okay, I love that about her. The one thing that I hate about her is sometimes she can be very very blunt. Yeah.
That is something
Good
we
portrayed,
have.
yeah. But for Vishal, I would say one thing I love about him is very caring and protective about your people. He's very like मुझे नहीं लगा था ये इतना caring होगा. मैं recently इसके साथ travel करती हूँ on a personal level and all he was like वहाँ पे बहुत लोग थे but he shared a bond with me. He was making sure सना. So I think वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि कोई मेरी इतनी care कर रहा है, you know, and I love that. मुझे बहुत मतलब मेरे लिए वो रिस्पेक्ट एक अलग लेवल पे आ जाती है, यू नो. एंड कहाँ पे भी है मतलब अपने लोगों को, मुझे ऐसा लगता है अपने लोगों को अगर आप आगे लेके चलो ना, साथ और आगे उनको बढ़ावा दो आगे, तो आई थिंक ही डज दैट. ही मेक श्योर कि इसके लोग ज़्यादा पहले अपलिफ्ट हो, बाद में फिर ये ऊपर आता है. तो मुझे इसकी वो क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. बैड क्वालिटी इसमें इतनी है नहीं कुछ, तो आई वुड से थोड़ा चिढ़ जाता है, बट वो हर किसी में होता है, बट इट्स ओके.
Yeah. Wow. Cool. You guys really do know each other very well.
Yeah, of course we stayed like for fucking 24 hours, like for 40 days.
40 days.
Yeah.
God. Okay. Which two fictional BFFs are most likely like you both?
I think I would give
Rachel.
Rachel or Joey or Chandler, something like that, na?
Yeah.
Wow.
Even I was thinking that.
So who's Joey and who's Chandler?
Joey and Chandler can be me. She's Rachel.
Yeah.
She can be Rachel
I
or
can be
Phoebe. I
Rachel.
can be Joey or Chandler.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Cool. Here's one thing weird about you, my friend. So one weird thing about her and one weird thing about
One weird thing that I noticed inside the house, sorry Sana, that she was just doing this.
Drilling my nose.
And I was like, what the fuck are you doing? Stop it. Me and Lavkesh were like, सारा time बैठ के अकेली बैठी रहेगी तुम्हें ऐसे ऐसे.
Poke my nose.
Yeah, so that.
Okay, now you get a chance to say one weird thing about it.
Come on, Sana.
I don't think so. I've noticed any weird thing. No.
Say, huh? Good. Okay. What's your favorite?
Lavkesh would have told कि ये झगड़ा करते करते अपने बाल बनाता है कांच में.
फिर वो बिग बॉस का घर था, तो वहाँ पे हर जगह कांच ही कांच थे. तो यू नो यू हैव नथिंग जस्ट टू वॉच योरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
हाँ, वो भी सही है. लेकिन फिर भी it's a little weird.
Yeah, I know. नहीं वियर्ड करते करते आपकी लुक चली गई और झगड़ा करते अच्छे तो दिखने चाहिए ना.
अभी मैं हर 2 मिनट में अपने बाल ऐसे ऐसे करती हूँ, तो डजंट मीन कि इट्स ओके.
What's your favorite memory of us? Like the most favorite memory that you both
I think the favorite memory of us would be this two. One, there was like the whole एक हमारे reality show में the whole house were against both of us for one incident, and we both, even our friends were not, you know, with us.
In support of
Yeah.
us.
So it was just her and me, and you know सब अलग और हम दोनों, और we were sitting on that sofa and we were just, you know, कि कोई बात नहीं. तो that moment is etched in my heart कि कोई नहीं था, हम दो थे वो time पे. And second one would be our trip to Dubai. I love.
Yeah, even I would say travel together would be one of the best memory. And second, I would say in the house.
Yeah.
Definitely. I mean, you do share the most important moments over there.
Over
It
there.
tests you as a
The
person.
house tested us in and
Yeah.
out, I would say. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, the last thing
Mm-hmm.
is the bingo challenge.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a BFF edition.
Okay.
So this, I'm gonna say.
Oh,
all of
wow.
these and you just
So
have to
nice.
tick off.
तू साथ है
And
तो.
then, हाँ, और
Wow.
जैसे जैसे tick off होता है वैसे वैसे you can show and tell me also. ताकि हम
तू
bingo
साथ
खेल
है
सकें.
तो bingo. Let's begin.
Okay.
जैसे जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ.
बोल.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Exchange your phones with your partner, like your BFF basically. Have you?
Not exchange, but I would say कि ये अपना फोन दे सकता है.
हाँ
मुझे
सेम, और
blind.
इसने भी मेरा अपना फोन रखी है मेरे
हाँ,
पास
so
शूट
we-
के टाइम. सो
We have given our phone to each other, but not exchange.
ऐसे दिखती किसको किसको डीएम कर रहा है, दिखा.
हम छुपाते नहीं कुछ, हम तो बताते हैं. हम तो बात करते हैं. ये देख इसको मैसेज कर रहे हैं आज. So, yeah.
Got jealous of your boyfriend or girlfriend?
No.
No, we neither of us are jealous type.
Yeah.
lied to get away from tension?
Yeah, sometimes. No?
Waited for more than an hour for him.
आज तुम्हारे लिए किया है मैंने.
Made fun of other couples being lovey-dovey. We have a story. Oh my god. Okay. Stole something from each other's closet.
Yeah.
She has done it.
Hey, you've also done my
What
pookie time. मेरा मैंने इसके तो बहुत चुराए हैं, वो तो
कपड़े अपने, बट मैं तो स्किन केयर चुरा
स्किन केयर, बट या स्टोल होता है.
Okay.
Went grocery shopping together.
No,
Not done together.
No, we done.
But we've teased each other with something that I really like.
Yeah,
and he went and he
There's something very expensive Thailand ka coconut water madam likes.
So yesterday
$1,000 for
he
one
sent me a
coconut water.
photo with that Thailand coconut and he shared it with me. He said this. I said, you know I love that. He said that's why I shared. So yeah, we've done that.
Yeah, ठीक है, चलो वेंट ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग मैं जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि एक बार हम साथ में भी गए वहाँ पे, तेरा कुछ ब्लूबेरी खरीदना था तेरे को, ये सब.
Okay. Judged your partner's clothes secretly.
No.
No.
I think you both are very fashionable, so it's fine.
Yeah, but I don't mind if my partner is not fashionable. Yeah, it's cool, ठीक है.
Okay. Made your partner do something you love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Worked out with him.
No, never.
Okay. Stalked your partner's ex.
Yes.
कांड भी साथ में ही है. Made your partner do घर का काम.
No, she have made me do it. I have never.
Yeah, I have some.
You have? Okay. Nice. I like it. I think both should do it. Yeah. Attended a wedding together.
Huh.
Yeah.
Met their parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did a drama only for some fun.
Yeah.
कभी एक दूसरे से भी ऐसे ही फिर
हम लोग
बहुत
बहुत साथ में
तो
बहुत
drama
ड्रामा
करते
करते हैं,
हैं.
बहुत ड्रामा करते हैं हम साथ में.
cool. Said sorry after a fight.
Yes.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
so sweet. You असली में BFF हो यार.
Yeah.
Seriously,
सही में यार,
really
कसम से, but
good.
very I like the questions also. Really nice. Super.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Very
you
fun.
so much. I think this is the example of what happens when two साथ हैं. That one person who stays with you always
Yeah.
and is there with you through all the trials and tribulations. That this is what happens. You get this amazing example of a jodi.
Yes.
Out of it.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for having us.
All my wishes for your future.
Thank
but
you.
Also for this bond that you guys share.
Thank you. Thank you so
This
much.
is the
Means a
most
lot.
important thing in the world.
Thank you.
Yes.
So all the best for Kans.
Thank
And
you.
all the best for the future projects.
Thank you. Thank you so
And
much.
this was me, Manjari Mukherjee. You're watching me only on Pump Diaries channel. Like, share, subscribe, and absolutely do not forget to click on that bell icon.
Yeah.
And obviously subscribe.
And also please go and watch Tu Saath if you haven't.
Yes, please do go watch Tu Saath. Bye.